Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into investment portfolio account, secure access step by step clearly. To access your investment portfolio account securely, begin by navigating to the official website of your investment provider. Once on the home page, locate the login button, typically situated at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your registered username in the designated field. Next, input your password carefully in the password field. If your provider offers a Remember Me option and you're on a personal device, you may choose to check that box for easier access in the future. Before proceeding, ensure that you have a secure internet connection to protect your login credentials. After verifying your information, click on the Submit or Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be granted access to your investment portfolio dashboard. In case you forget your password, look for the Forgot Password link and click it to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the provided instructions in the recovery email you receive to reset your password and regain access. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication if offered by your provider. This will require you to confirm your identity through a secondary method, such as a text message or authentication app. Once logged in, take a moment to review your account summary and ensure all information appears accurate. Now you are successfully logged into your investment portfolio account with secure access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.